Hello friends, I welcome you all to my channel. Today I am taking one question from Algebra, which is a very fundamental question for Maths Olympiad preparation. The question is, solve square root 1 plus mx is equal to square root of 1 minus mx plus x. So I am shifting all irrational terms to left side. X. And here analyze the question. M and X are real number. So when M is not a number, we'll get M as an interval. Can be variable, many values, because M is real numbers. So now, no squaring. What I'll do, I'll rationalize the irrational number. What is rationalize? Rationalize means by multiplying conjugate in both numerator and denominator. We know all these things, only I want to recall it again. Suppose square root of A plus square root of B, its conjugate is conjugate of square root of A plus square root of B is equal to square root of A minus square root of B. Why it is called conjugate? Because when I multiply square root of A, square root of B with square root of A minus square root of B, it will becomes your square root A square minus square root of B square, that will be A minus B, it will be a rational number. So that's why this is called rationalization. Similarly, when it will be negative, we'll multiply with the conjugate, that will be positive, it gives the same result. So we are now coming back to the question. 1 plus mx minus 1 minus mx, its conjugate will be 1 plus mx plus 1 minus mx. So when I'll multiply with the conjugate in the numerator, I'll multiply in the denominator also. This is given to x. So what will be in the numerator? It will be square root 1 plus mx whole square minus square root 1 minus mx whole square. Denominator remain the same. Or this numerator is simplified now. 1 plus mx minus 1 minus mx. So here 1 will be cancelled. You are getting twice mx. 1 under root 1 plus mx plus under root 1 minus mx is equal to x. So here we are already getting one solution. What is it? X is equal to 0 is a solution, because both the left hand and right hand has a factor. If x is not equal to 0, then I can cancel x from both the sides. It will be 1. Now on cross multiplying, I'll get square root 1 plus mx plus square root 1 minus mx is equal to twice m. So I'll square both the sides, squaring the sides. So in the left side, I'll get square root 1 plus mx whole square plus square root 1 minus mx whole square plus 2 times square root of 1 plus mx square root of 1 minus mx is equal to 2m square. That will be 4m square. So it will be 1 plus mx plus 1 minus mx plus twice square root 1 minus m square x square is equal to 4m square. Here mx is cancelled. I'm going to 2 plus twice under root 1 minus m square x square is equal to 4m square, or shifting 2 to right side, getting 4m square minus 2. Now I'm taking term 2 common. I'll get 2m square minus 1. 2 cancel. Now again squaring, because I don't want this square root. I want to be rational. So I'll get 1 minus m square x square is equal to, on squaring it will be 4m to the power 4 plus 1 minus 4m square. Again 1 we can cancel, or m square x square is equal to, I'm multiplying this minus to right side, so it will be minus 4m square plus 4m to the power 4 and 4m square, this will be m to the power 4. Here I'll take 4m square common, then I'll get 1 minus m square. So m square is cancelled. Getting x square is equal to 4 times 1 minus m square. So what will be x then? X will be square root of 4 times 1 minus m square. It can be written as plus 2 or minus 2, and square root 1 minus m square. So we got the x in term of m. X is equal to plus minus 2 square root 1 minus m square. So here 1 minus m square. Now defining what will be the value of m, because the value of x is depending on m. So first is, since it is square root, it should be greater than equal to 0, or m square should be less than equal to 1. This is first condition to define m. Next is, we'll go back to find the condition. We'll go back to the condition for this was the condition here. We got square root of 1 minus m square x square is equal to 2m square minus 1. Let me write again this expression to define what is the under root 1 minus m square x square is equal to twice m square minus 1. That means since it is a left hand side, LH is a square root function, its domain range is equal to positive. So 2m square minus 1 must be greater than equal to 0. So 2m square must be greater than equal to 1, or m square must be greater than equal to 1 by 2, or m should be greater than equal to your 1 by root 2. So what is the answer? Answer of m should be in between 1 by root 2 to 1. M should be here, I am writing m should be 2 to 1, where x is equal to, see the solution when m, the value of m should be this one. So I hope you enjoyed the answer, enjoyed the solution. Thank you for watching.